Light rays enter the eye. Most of the reflection occurs at the first option, crystalline lens. Second is outer surface of the cornea. C is iris and D is pupil. So we have the first correct answer, the outer surface of the cornea. Most of the reflection occurs. The human eye forms the image of an object situated in front of it at its first option iris, second option pupil, third option retina, fourth option blind spot. So the correct answer we will get retina. Third question, the amount of light entering the eye is controlled by first option pupil, second option cornea, third option aqueous humor, fourth option is the ciliary muscles. So the light entering in the eye controlled by the pupil. Fourth question we have, focal length of the eye lens increases when eye muscles. First option relax and the lens becomes thinner. B option contract and the lens becomes thicker. C option relax and the lens becomes thicker. D option contract and the lens becomes thinner. So we have the answer relax and the lens becomes thinner, means A option. Fifth question, the term power of accommodation of eye means its ability. Ability to what? To change the distance from the lens to retina, to adjust the size of the pupil as so to control the amount of light, to adjust the focal length of eye lens, to make the inverted image formed on retina as an erect image. So we'll go for to adjust the focal length of eye lens. This only will be the definition, so option C will be the correct answer. Sixth question, which of the following statement is correct? A option, a person with myopia can see distant objects clearly. B, a person with hypermetropia can see nearby objects clearly. C, a person with myopia can see nearby objects clearly. And D option, a person with hypermetropia cannot see distant objects clearly. So, a person with myopia can see nearby objects clearly is the correct option, means C option is correct. C. Question number 7. A person cannot see distinctly object kept beyond 2 meter, means 2 meter दूरी पे रखा हुआ है. The defect can be corrected by using the lens of power. तो हमें कौन से पावर का लेंस यूज करना पड़ेगा? तो 1/2 will be equal to the 0.5, as it is beyond means we cannot see the distant objects clearly, it is myopic, so it becomes minus 0.5 diopter. So answer B will be the correct. Next 8. To correct long-sightedness defect of vision, one must use long-sightedness defect of vision, one must use which type of lens we need to use? Long-sightedness means hypermetropia, and for the hypermetropia we use a convex lens. So from the options, A option will be the correct answer. Question number 9. An eye specialist checked Ambika's eye and suggested her to spectacles having power minus 1.25 diopter for left eye and minus 1.75 diopter for the right eye. Ambika is suffering from the defect of the vision termed as option A myopia, B option long-sightedness, C option hypermetropia, and D option is cataract. See, as the negative signs are given, it means that negative signs we are using in the myopia. So option will be A. A is the correct answer, myopia. Question number 10. A student is sitting on the last bench in his classroom, can read the letters written on the blackboard, but it is not able to read the letter written in his textbook. So, which of the following statement is correct? तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि स्टूडेंट बुक में लिखा हुआ नहीं देख पढ़ पाता, बट बोर्ड पे लिखा हुआ, तो इट मीन्स मायोपिक विजन इज करेक्ट, हाइपरमेट्रोपिया प्रॉब्लम इज देयर. तो the near point of the eye has receded away will be the correct option. A option is the correct. 11th question we have, the splitting of white light into band of 7 color on passing through a glass prism is called. A option, scattering of light, B, Tyndall effect, C, dispersion of light, and D is the refraction of light. तो band of 7 colors को हम क्या बोलते हैं? वैसे बोलते हैं स्पेक्ट्रम, बट इट इज स्प्लिट इनटू 7 कलर्स, तो इट इज कॉल्ड डिस्पर्शन ऑफ लाइट. तो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. 12th क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग द प्रोपगेशन ऑफ लाइट of different colors of white light in air? First option, red light moves fastest. B option, blue light moves faster than green light. C option, all the colors of white light move with same speed. D option, yellow light moves with the mean speed as the red and violet light. So here